My name is Zaim Ahmed. Welcome to my channel Interesting Facts. In this video I am going to tell you top 5 5. Patek Philippe Supercomplication $24 million. The Patek Philippe Henry Graves Supercomplication is one of the most complicated mechanical pocket watches ever created. The 18-karat gold watch has 24 complications and was assembled by Patek Philippe. It was named after banker Henry Graves Jr., who commissioned it out of his desire to outdo the Grande Complication pocket watch of American automaker James Ward Packard. 4. Chopard 201-karat watch $25 million. The two were both at the top of the watch collecting world, regularly commissioning innovative new timepieces. Chopard is known for making watches that are a cut above the rest. Not only does every timepiece in the company's collection boast superb quality, but each one has a highly unique design that sets it apart from other styles. This is especially true of the 201-karat Chopard watch, a dazzling accessory made in 2000 that brings a whole new meaning to luxury. 3. Breguet 160 $30 million. The Breguet No. 160 Grande Complication, more commonly known as the Marie Antoinette or the Queen, is a case watch designed by Swiss watchmaker Abraham Louis Breguet. It has been called a poem in clockwork. The watch is thought to have been commissioned in 1783 by Count Hans Axel von Fersen, an admirer and alleged lover of the French Queen, Marie Antoinette. Work on the watch was begun in 1782 and completed by Breguet's son in 1827, 4 years after Breguet's death. For 2 centuries now, both this timepiece's extreme intricacy and its fabulous destiny have fascinated watchmakers and haunted the imagination of collectors. 2. GRAFF Diamonds, the Fascination $40 million. Well, GRAFF Diamonds has the answer. A watch with a removable part that becomes a ring called the Fascination. The watch consists of 152.96 carats of white diamonds. With a center fancy cut exquisitely rare stone that is a 38.13 carat D flawless pear-shaped diamond cut and polished by GRAFF in their workshops. It is this pear-shaped masterpiece that can be worn as a watch dial in a highly architectural diamond bracelet, or can be taken out and worn as a ring. The bracelet that holds the watch in its center is a masterful work of metallurgy and gem setting. 1. GRAFF Diamonds HALLUCINATION $55 million. At first glance, one could hardly spot anything really tentative about GRAFF Diamonds' first appearance at Baselworld earlier this year. The booth, 503 square meters upon a single elevated space, was designed by GRAFF's Monaco-based interior design team in the likeness of a GRAFF boutique. The booth was quite charming indeed, with walnut wall paneling and bronze feature showcases. However, it was the treasure within that triggered an almost dreamlike state. The most valuable watch ever created. The incredible worth stems from 110 carats of really rare and really big colored diamonds set into a bracelet of platinum. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more interesting facts.